welcome to the world of convenient digital banking. Now, registration on YONO is as easy as it gets. There are multiple ways to register on YONO using your internet banking ID, registration with ATM card, and registration using account details. Let us now explore the registration flow using account details for customers not registered on internet banking. Open the YONO app and select Existing Customer and select the option of Register with Account Details. This registration process will be completed in 3 steps. The first step will require you to set a user ID and password and get a reference number, followed by a visit to the branch for activation of the user ID and password, and finally activating and exploring YONO. In the first screen, enter the account details such as account number, followed by date of birth. By default, your home branch will be selected. You may select any branch as per your convenience. After entering the details, click on Next. In the next screen, enter the 6-digit one-time password received on your registered mobile number and email. On successful submission of OTP, brief customer details will be shown. Please review the account holder name and select transaction rights carefully. Viewing rights will give the facility to inquire and view the account and other details. Limited rights will provide facility to transfer funds in own accounts, open fixed deposits, RDs, and mutual funds, etc., in addition to the viewing rights. Full transactions will enable you to perform all kinds of financial transactions. In the next screen, enter online banking username of your choice. The availability of username will be checked. If desired username is not available, kindly register with some other username. Enter temporary password of your choice as per the password policy. Re-enter the same password in the specified field and select Confirm. Kindly remember this username and password as this will be required during the time of activation. Post successful confirmation, a reference number will be displayed on the screen. The reference number will also be sent to you through email and SMS. Kindly visit the selected branch within 7 days for activation of the username. Step 2. The branch process. Please complete the step 2 by visiting the branch selected by you. Once request is approved by the branch, you will receive an activation code in your registered mobile number and email. In the step 3, open the YONO app and select I have activation code option. Please enter the username and password created by you in the step 1. You may enter referral code of the customer or staff member who have helped you during the registration. Enter the 6-digit activation code received on registered mobile number or email and click on Next. Confirmation for successful activation is displayed on the screen. Select Go to YONO Home. As it is your first login, you will be prompted to change the password. YONO also has the facility of login using MPIN. Please set the MPIN to use this facility. You can set an MPIN later by logging in YONO and selecting Settings under Service Request. Set the 6-digit MPIN of your choice as per the extent guidelines. Please enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and proceed. Congratulations! You are now successfully registered on YONO.